Oh my gosh. How's it going, everyone? This is the Winnipeg Rail Fan. Welcome back to another episode of Trainboy Vlogs. We are back. It has been a month probably since the last vlog. But yeah, right now we're just editing the Dash 8 video here. This has taken way too long. But yeah, so I'm like almost done with it, really. I just gotta, you know, put all the clips together, and it's like minimal editing, I guess, with most of these old clips and whatnot. But yeah, then it should be done hopefully by sometime this week. Like, oh, it's not even November anymore, it's December now. That's crazy. December 3rd today, and as you can tell by the title, the holiday train is coming through today, and we're gonna go out and see it. I don't know where. We're just gonna kind of go with the flow, I guess. All right, everyone, we out here.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Yeah,
it's Caden. Dude, yeah, Caden. My name is Caden.
Oh, I know. That's Andrew's sticker.
There's the.
There it is. Canadian Transfer. There he is. We out here, like,
Almost dying.
yeah, exactly. Just sheer ice on that lane. It's crazy. So 2 bald eagles. We've seen more eagles than we've seen trains.
That's fucked. No, we've seen equal.
Oh yeah, we saw. Oh no, yeah, I guess on the highway. Yeah.
Oh well, that's a good start.
Yeah.
We're eagle hunting today.
Yeah, exactly. Forget the holiday train. We're just
Fuck it, honestly.
Yeah. Alrighty, we made it to the Ontario border.
And it looks like it's worse than fucking.
Yeah, this is new. They just.
Yeah, that's nice looking.
Yeah.
And we're on New Road too, and there's a old road just right there.
Yeah. Create your own. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. What are you doing? We're in Kenora now, man. Holiday train is gonna be here. Yeah. Got the vlog going. We're here at Transmitter Road. We got guys. Hi.
Hi.
This is CN Rail Fan.
It is. Hi.
204 Zomulus. We got a train. There's Maple Syrup Rail Fan.
Sam, over here. Boom! We bring the boom!
Oh, no.
What's up, guys? MSRF Productions here. Give me this shit. Give me this shit. All right, so we got Isaac, we got Andrew, we got Caden, we got Ethan. You better put this in.
Shooting here?
No.
My pit vipers are crooked. What the fuck?
Where are you guys gonna go?
You better, Isaac, come
Probably
here.
like this railway
You
street.
better put this whole section in
Did
the
you guys
vlog,
struggle
else
up
I'll
any of those
fucking
hills
touch
there?
Oh, really? I'll touch you if you don't put this in the vlog.
Easy.
Fuck, is it the autism today?
Oh, that's this not a homeless guy, but some guy. He's making that. He's went. It was so funny. Are we filming here? Why?
Because I feel like it.
This sound sucks.
My
Ooh. Everyone go unsub from this guy. Alright, we're just ripping through the back roads of Kenora. Train just passed us at what the hell's it called? Transmitter Road, that's where we were. Yeah. Not bad curve actually. I thought, oh, this shot's kind of crap for westbounds, but it's not bad.
Nice
Homestake would have been nicer. Oh, there they are. Got the Zomulus crew just up ahead.
The artards. The devious artards. Civics, Civics, I swear. You got that on video?
Yeah, I got that.
Whoa! It's like, it's coming right at you.
Yeah. So now we're heading to gonna go to the show, right? For a minute, or
Yeah.
and then we'll just head out to the next spot. Truck coming up there.
We'll film like what, first 15-20 minutes of the show, and then we'll go.
The show is 15 minutes.
Oh, it is.
Yeah,
It's 30
so-
minutes.
Or maybe I don't know.
It's 35 minutes of show, I think.
They just take some pictures there and then just
Yeah.
book it to the
Well,
next
yeah,
spot.
at least I want to get some film of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll probably do that like in golf. Once you get to golf.
Yeah.
Spot.
The highway to Ingolf is kind of like this. It's like up and down.
It's fucking nice. This isn't bad. Trans Canada was clear.
Yeah.
Past you guys. Yeah, you fucking did that. I'll rear end you. Gladly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means we're
Write
both
this
fucked.
car off. Alright. We're out here at the Kenora show. Show's starting soon, I guess, but we're just kind of walking along the train here. They've already got a clear signal to go. They're just gonna leave without doing the show.
What up?
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, they cut all these switches. Nice. Oh!
What?
Careful, careful.
In the world?
Yeah. Yeah. I really thought, yeah. I don't know. I guess they moved all the lights up. Cause like, I guess it's the same amount of boxcars or something.
Yeah, because it looks, you
Like-
think it looks shorter, but
Yeah, it looks short because it's, you know, Canadian Pacific holiday train. Now it's disgusting.
are there less business cars? Or are there still more?
Yeah, it looks like there's like, there's
I feel like
four.
there were like 6 last year.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Something just feels weird about this train. All right, so we're just over here by Trans-Canada Highway. It's a pretty neat spot. A couple other people waiting, stuff like that. It's not bad. Let's see, how is it over? I mean, yeah, look at that. Look at that. My socks are gonna be soaked by the time we get home. But yeah, and this snow is all like just packed onto the bushes here. Or what if I set up right by this tree here? It's not bad actually. It's a nice like curved shot sorta. Yeah, I think I'll move closer to the tree or something. But yeah, again, it's nice to be out here again. It's like a yearly tradition pretty much. Just come to Kenora for the holiday train. Although I'd like to go out here more because there's a lot of cool spots out here. You know, for stuff like that. And hopefully next year I'll have like a actual camera or camcorder to film this with and not have to use my phone, because as you can tell, dropped it a little bit, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure which way the track curves. I think it's to the, looks like it's to the left. I can't tell, but I know it's gonna come right up on us here. But yeah, it'd be cool. All right, yeah, so gonna let the train go by, and then we'll be off to Whitemouth. I doubt we're gonna make it to Ingolf, because we gotta deal with all the highway traffic and gotta drive for the conditions, because the roads are, you know, icy and snowy and stuff like that, and they're just plowing them. Thankfully it stopped snowing, so that's good. Otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, I don't know what's going on with my gimbal here. I mean, it is like a, you know, one of those cheap Temu ones, but you know, it's just wonk. It's like, it was working fine this summer with this phone, but nowadays it's just wonky. Like it won't, like, it's crooked every time. Like it's stable and everything. That's, I guess, the main point, but still it's like crooked. And I'd have to like tilt the video and post, so I just said forget it. So just, I don't know why I'm keeping it with me, but yeah. No, not yet. Alright, we're back in Manitoba, unfortunately. It was nice to be there in Ontario for like an hour. It's funny. Yeah, we're headed actually technically back into Ontario for a minute to Ingolf. Yeah. So we're gonna try at least, that's for sure. Alright, we made it to Ingolf, Ontario. We're back in Ontario. We were in Manitoba for like 5 minutes and then now we're back. But yeah, show's going on over there. Train's parked on the hill up here. It's pretty nice. This is like the one thing at the end of the year I look forward to. All those green lights must be like the is that a helicopter? Is this a helicopter pad? That's crazy, yo. Now here comes Mr. Caden running towards the car. Let's go, buddy, let's go. Oona, let's get going, buddy. Oh, almost ate shit. Alright, so we caught the train again at rainy Manitoba.
Yeah, and we're flying right now.
Yeah. Still going, still going. Oh.
Where the fuck's that road? The shoulder on it there? Yeah,
Yeah, that's the shoulder. It's crazy.
Oh, I see lights. Right in the trees, dude.
I can't see anything.
I saw like little, like it's back there the line, but I saw blue and green.
Yeah. All right, made it to Whitemouth. So we're gonna get set up real quick and watch them come in. I don't know what to do. But yeah, it's kind of cool. They have like a new like LED kind of digital screen on the stage car. It's kind of neat, I guess. They got like a new, pretty much the whole decals, not decals, I guess the lighting setup is new. Yeah, crazy. It's been like almost 10 years. No, it has been 10 years since the last AC44, the big Gevo, not Gevo, big GEs on the holiday train here. Yeah. Alright. Just getting gas here in Anola. Holiday train is, I don't know what's going on with it, but it's somewhere out there. And, like, oh my lord, it's falling over. It's probably pretty much like straight north of us. We're trying to get to Oakbank. Not Oak, yeah, Oakbank, yeah. And we'll see how it goes. What? Alright, you can't even see us where we're out here. We're at Springfield, Highway 207.
Young YNS.
Yeah, YN. These people are gonna be so disappointed when it's like 119 passing here instead. Oh man. Yeah, but kind of a cluster funk going on in the city because there's like 3 or 4 trains all along this stretch waiting for the holiday train. They're trying to get 119 in, and there's already a crowd at Panet, so they want to be careful around there, I guess. And they were thinking of, yeah, that's him. All right. Yeah, you hear him? Yeah. But yeah, they don't know what to do. But I guess they'll figure it out. Otherwise, holiday train, you coming? Here we go.
Okay, we are back in Winnipeg, Manitoba. The final stop on our chase for the day, I guess. Well, I guess for the rest of the year, but it's been very interesting trip. Like, we started off the day in the middle of a snowstorm with us barely being able to hold on to the highway. And way back was horrible because we almost got, well, we pretty much got, not cut off, but like thrown into a different lane in the middle of a curve on the Trans-Canada Highway. One lane highway. And so, boom. Yeah, almost got screwed.
That's funny.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah.
119. Is he done? Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Keep on going this way though. But yeah, today's been interesting. It's not like the 2016 trip, which was crazy, but like,
Yeah.
it was still just as interesting.
Yeah.
What
Train.
happened during the 2016 trip again? Something happening, right?
Oh yeah, the door on your minivan flew open at Carberry while we were chasing
Roll the
it.
clip. I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever.
All right. 8654. Yeah. Yeah, walk in front of that car. Slow down, man.
Full of
Isn't
white
that?
after.
All right. CP Holiday Train, Winnipeg. Haven't been to an event here in like years. Okay. I don't even know how long the battery is gonna last, but we're here at the train yards. Last shot of the night for CPKFC, maybe. It's not here yet. Hey, what the heck is going on, everyone? My computer is lagging trying to play this 4K video. Look at that, is crazy. That is, oh my, I'm gonna break my computer here. Yeah, so today is December 22nd. It has been, come Tuesday when this video is supposed to be out, see you next Tuesday, it'll have been 3 weeks since the holiday train rolled through. That's crazy. But yeah, December 3rd, sorry, was a really awesome day. It was great to see the holiday train again. It's always something that I look forward to at the end of the year. This is the main channel video. You're getting a sneak peek here because if this video is coming out December 24th, this vlog here, this main channel video will be up the next day, but it'll be out early for channel members, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, this is just a preview, I guess, of the main channel video. Pretty happy with how it turned out, the video. Some of the footage could be better, like some of the stuff it was out of focus actually. There was like focus breathing or whatever, hunting, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it kind of sucks, but otherwise I'm decently happy with how the overall final video turned out. Yeah. Either way, again, like I said, great experience at the end of the year. Always something I look forward to, and it's always cool to do it with the foam tards. You know. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you check out the main channel video, of course. Thanks to that Union Station video I just did. Nice voice crack. Thanks to the Union Station video I just did. People actually subscribe to this channel, and we now have just over 800 subscribers here. So thank you all for subscribing and sticking around for these terrible vlogs. At this point, it's like once a month a vlog comes out. I haven't done one since the Deadhead holiday train move going east in November. So yeah, honestly, I don't know. The vlogs are really slow here, but I'll try and, you know, get to them as soon as I can. Well, not as soon as I can. Like, whenever I have time, when I'm not working on stuff like this or whatever else. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more mediocre train vlog, behind the scenes type shit, you know. And I will see you all in the next episode of Trainboy Vlogs.